Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now and click the bell button to notify you for new videos. Today I will be sharing with you how to make twisted donuts or shakoy. Mix the flour with sugar and salt. Combine the milk, butter, water, and the yeast. Mix thoroughly. Add the dry ingredients into 3 parts. Mix well and check the consistency until the rest of the flour is combined. Then knead it for about 8 minutes. Start in low speed, 2 minutes. Then change it into medium speed for about 6 to 8 minutes. So it's done. Sprinkle some flour and let's form the dough into a ball and brew for an hour in a greased bowl or once it has double the size. After an hour of proofing, punch the dough to release some air bubble. But first, let's divide this into 2 and then divide it into the desired sizes that you want. In my case, it yielded to 14 pieces at 70 grams each or less. So just form them into a small ball and cover with cling wrap or cloth so as not to dry it out. Then you may start curling up and twist each of the formed ball. Cover it with cling wrap and let it proof for about 30 minutes. Let's preheat the casserole in medium heat. While waiting for the oil to heat, I've mixed the cinnamon and sugar in a Ziploc bag. So I use this medium size and hopefully the twisted donuts would fit. Please ensure oil is about 180 degrees before you fry the twisted donuts until it's golden brown. You may confirm it by using the cooking thermometer, but if you don't have it, then the technique here I used was as long as you see there are bubbles on the stick, Then the dough is ready for deep fry. And when you see it's already golden brown, take them out from the heat. And let it cool for a few seconds, then place it on a mixture of cinnamon and sugar in a Ziploc bag. Ta-da! We're done! So it's mildly sweet, fluffy, twisted donuts coated with sugar and cinnamon powder. It is often an after-school snack, which I remembered we made this as our final exam during our high school days. We tried to sell all the donuts we have prepared, and this is really good for business too. Try it! And so easy to make. Let me know by posting your comments below. Hope you liked it. And thanks for watching.